Hi children, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you're going to see SOF International English Olympiad of Class 4 Model Test Paper 1. Total questions 35, time will be 1 hour. First section, word and structure knowledge. For questions 1 to 10, choose the correct option to fill in the blank. First question, Ravi has been living in Delhi dash December 2020. First question, Ravi has been living in Delhi dash December 2010. Option A about, option B since, option C for, option D almost. Option B since is the right answer. Second question, I lost all my money while playing. Could you dash me some? I will return it tomorrow. Option A borrow, option B lend, option C give, option D off. Option B lend is the right answer. Third question, what do you dash for breakfast? Option A usually to eat, option B eat usually to, option C usually eat, option D to eat usually. So option C usually eat for breakfast is the right answer. Fourth question, my new bicycle is much dash than my old one. Option A better, option B more good, option C gooder, option D more better. Option A better is the right answer. Fifth question, you dash wear a helmet or you will be fined by the traffic police. Option A might, option B can, option C must, option D don't have to. So option C, you must wear a helmet or you will be fined by the traffic police is the right answer. Sixth question, don't go out alone at night. There is dash dangerous gang in this area. Option A the, option B an, option C a, option D some. Option C A is the right answer. There is a dangerous gang in this area is the right answer. Seventh question, my auntie was not well, so my uncle quickly brought the prescribed medicines dash the nearest chemist. Option A for, option B by, option C in, option D from. Option D from is the right answer. Eighth question, hey, you are famous now. You have been in the news a lot recently. We seem to see your photo dash. Option A always, option B occasionally, option C every day, option D never. Option C every day is the right answer. Ninth question, I am very excited to see the star of the film this evening. What time dash for the show? A. Option A, will you be leaving? Option B, you will be leaving. Option C, you are going to leave. Option D, leaving you. Option A, will you be leaving is the right answer. 10th question, we are dash hard for the match next week. Option A, practice. Option B, practiced. Option C, practicing. Option D, practices. Option C, practicing is the right answer. For questions 11 and 12, choose the part of the sentence that has an error. 11th question, Anita should called and informed me if she was planning to come over to my place. Option A, Anita should. Option B, called and informed me. Option C, if she was. Option D, to come over to my place. Option B, called and informed B is the right answer, which has an error. 12th question, Rose wait for me every day at the bus stop even if I ask her not to. Option A, Rose wait for me. Option B, every day at the bus stop. Option C, even if I ask. Option D, her not to. Option A, Rose wait for me is the right answer. 13th question, what is the correct spelling of the vegetable? Option C, artichoke is the right answer. 14th question, choose the correct synonym of remorse. Option A, reflect. Option B, regret. Option C, rewind. Option D, redo. Option B, regret is the right answer. 15th question, choose the correct antonym of manipulative. Option A, smart. Option B, cruel. Option C, gullible. Option D, weak. Manipulative meaning is smart. Antonym of manipulative is gullible. Gullible meaning is easily deceived. Reading. For questions 16 to 20, read the passage and answer the questions that follow. Mongoose. Mongooses are primarily found in Africa. They cover most of the continent. Some species occupy parts of southern Asia and the Iberian Peninsula. They are generally terrestrial mammals, but some are semi aquatic and others are at home in the treetops. Ranging in size from the 7-inch long, 18 centimeters long dwarf mongoose to the 2-foot long, 60 centimeter long Egyptian mongoose, these sleek mammals have long bodies with short legs and long snouts. They normally have brown or gray fur, and a number of species have striped coats or ringed tails. Mongooses live in burrows and are predators, feeding on some small animals such as rodents, birds, reptiles, frogs, insects, and worms. Some species supplement their diet with fruits, nuts, and seeds. Creative hunters, mongooses are known to break open the bird's eggs by throwing them with their paws toward a hard object. Famously, some species of mongoose will boldly attack venomous snakes such as cobras. The most celebrated of these is Rudyard Kipling's fictional Rikki Tikki Tavi based on an ancient fable and included in the Jungle Book. In the 1800s, mongooses were introduced to several islands in Hawaii and the West Indies in order to control the rodent populations on sugarcane plantations. Today, this effort has come back to hunt these islands as mongooses threaten the survival of various native species, particularly birds. However, in their natural environments, mongooses are currently threatened themselves due to habitat loss. 16th question. The Egyptian mongoose is dash long. Option A 18 centimeters, option B 180 centimeters, option C 60 centimeters, option D 7 inch. Option C 60 centimeters is the right answer. 17th question. Mongooses in the West Indies also eat dash. Option A birds, option B sugarcane, option C other mongooses, option D fish. Option A birds is the right answer. 18th one. Mongooses are creative hunters because they dash. Option A attack with their ringed tails. Option B attack venomous cobras. Option C break open birds' eggs. Option D stalk their prey. Option C break open birds' eggs is the right answer. 19th question. Mongooses are found dash. Option A predominantly in Africa. Option B all over America. Option C all over Asia. Option D only in Africa. Option A predominantly in Africa is the right answer. 20th question. Mongooses were introduced to the West Indies to control the dash. Option A sugarcane problem. Option B rodent problem. Option C their own population. Option D environmental issues. Option B rodent problem is the right answer. For questions 21 to 25, read the passage and answer the questions that follow. Popcorn, also known as popping corn, is a special variety of corn, Z, maize, ivarta. Each kernel, in other words, corn seed, contains a tiny drop of water. When it is heated, the water expands, causing the seed to explode and flip inside out. In the US, popcorn is mostly grown in Nebraska, Indiana, and now increasingly in Texas. Native Americans first discovered Native Americans first discovered popcorn thousands of years ago in Mexico. It was popped in China during the Song dynasty as well as in Sumatra and India long before Columbus reached America in 1948 and 1950. Anthropologist Herbert Dick and botanist Early Smith discovered ears of popcorn in Mexico. The size varied from a few millimeters to about 2 inches and was carbon dated to be about 5,600 years old. Hernando Cortes invaded Mexico in 1519 and first saw popcorn when he met the Aztecs. Aztecs used popcorn as food and decoration on headdresses, necklaces, and ornaments. Around 1612, French explorers around the Great Lakes met Iroquois, who used heated sand in a pottery vessel to make popcorn. Colonial housewives served popcorn with sugar and cream for breakfast. Some colonists used a cylinder of thin sheet iron that revolved on an axle in front of the fireplace to make popped corn. In 1885, Charles Kratos of Chicago, Illinois, invented the first popcorn machine. Street vendors were soon pushing steam or gas powered poppers through fairs, parks, and expositions. Today, much of the popcorn you buy at movies and fairs is popped in machines manufactured by the Kratos family. Americans eat more than 33 billion kilograms of popcorn a year, an average of 30 kilograms per person per year. As the result of an elementary school project, popcorn became the official state snack food of Illinois. January 19 is National Popcorn Day and October is National Popcorn Month. 21st question. Each corn seed has a tiny drop of kernel, drop of moisture, drop of water, bud of corn. Option C, drop of water is the right answer. 22nd question, popping corn was discovered in China, Mexico, US, Chicago. Mexico. Option B is the right answer. Aztecs first started using popcorn as food in dash 1950, 1519, 1885, 1612. 1519 is the right answer. Option B. 24th one, what was the result of the school project? It was found that Americans eat 33 billion kilograms of popcorn. Option B, January 19 became the National Popcorn Day. Option C, Illinois made popcorn the official state snack food. Housewife used popcorn in breakfast with cream and sugar. Option C, Illinois made popcorn the official state snack food. 25th question, in the sentence, French explorers around the Great Lakes met Iroquois who used heated sand in a pottery vessel to make popcorn. Vessel means a dash. Option A, boat. Option B, clay. Option C, container. Option D, oven. Option C, container is the right answer. Spoken and written expression. For questions 26 to 30, choose the best response to complete each conversation. 26th, Helen, I was surprised that Pallavi wasn't at the school function yesterday. Kumar, A. She dash about it. Option A, may not have known. Option B, might not knowing. Option C, may have not know. Option D, not know. Option A, may not have known about it. 27th one, John, I know lots of people here. Amir, do you? I thought you said dash. Option A, you didn't know anybody. Option B, you knew everybody. Option C, you know somebody. Option D, you doesn't anybody. Option A, you didn't know anybody is the right answer. 28th, Sham, do you know where dash? Nasir, no, he didn't say anything. Option A, Raju has gone. Option B, has Raju gone. Option C, has gone Raju. Option D, gone Raju. Option B, has Raju gone is the right answer. 30th question. Sam, have you seen this film before? Bev, dash. Option A, yes, maybe I will see it sometime. B, yes, the film before is very entertaining. C, yes, I have never seen it before. Option D, yes, many times with my parents. Option D, yes, many times with my parents is the right answer. Achievers section for questions 31 to 33. Choose the correct option to fill in the blank. 31st one. It's such a dark street and I think we are dash. I am so scared. Option A, being followed. Option B, following. Option C, followed. Option D, being following. Option A, being followed is the right answer. 32nd question. I had zero expectations from this match, yet I feel dash. Option A, pleased. Option B, happy. Option C, clear. Option D, disappointed. Option D, disappointed is the right answer. 33rd question. When I heard our exam results were out, I couldn't calm down and became a dash nerves. Option A, lot of. Option B, much of. Option C, bag of. Option D, heavy with. Option C, bag of nerves is the right answer. 34th one, what is the synonym of passionate? Option A, passive. Option B, plain. Option C, jealous. Option D, plead. Option C, jealous is the right answer. Question number 35. Choose the most suitable option to complete the conversation. Mohan, shall I tell Samir that you ate all his lunch? Because no dash. Option A, I would prefer it if he didn't know. Option B, I should think he doesn't know. Option C, I feel he will not come to know. Option D, I would like to eat yours too. Option A, I would prefer it if he didn't know. So practice, practice, practice. Practice makes man perfect. So please practice before you go and write the exam. Subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you, children.